How to share Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open your Instagram app and make sure you are logged in with your account. Alright, so after here you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. Alright, so from here, make sure you have already posted a story on your Instagram account. So from here, you will have to open that story. Okay, so after you open that story, you'll have to click on that send options to share the story on your WhatsApp status. So simply tap on this send option. And now from here, you'll have to go the option WhatsApp. So simply tap on it. Alright, since we are sharing the story to WhatsApp status, so I will have to go with the options my status. So simply have to tap on my status. And now from here you'll have to click on arrow icon just at the bottom right corner of this screen, so simply tap on it. And now from here you'll be able to see the link of your story on this WhatsApp interface. So from here you can give the link of your story on WhatsApp status. So simply now from here you'll have to go with the option send, so it will again appear at the bottom right corner of the screen, so simply tap on it. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully updated my status. Like you can see, there is no any views to my status. So likewise, you can also share your Instagram story to the WhatsApp status. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.